What is up, everybody? Oh man, it's been a couple days since I've ridden, since I've recorded. Heading out to a buddy of mine's house. He's got a little pool for the kids, so I'm gonna go let the kids go play in the water and hang out with them, probably get some pizza and just chill for the night. But I wanted to get Ruby out because she hadn't ridden in a while. So it's been almost 2 weeks. We gotta stop to get gas. So I'm gonna follow my wife in the truck. So I don't know if you guys saw the last video, but at the end of the video, because the last video was just a whole bunch of updates, didn't really do much, didn't go anywhere, just went around real quick. But it was a couple updates about the channel and about why I hadn't uploaded in a little bit and why my mic was messed up and stuff. But at the end of that video, I announced that we hit 1,000 subscribers. So for you that are still watching, thank you. It's because of you that, you know, I do these videos and I have these subscribers, I have this channel. I mean, I didn't make the channel initially for this, but the fact that it's growing to this is awesome. It's better than I could have imagined it being. But yeah, so I hit 1,000 subscribers about a week and a half ago. I'm now at 1,022 subscribers. Woo! 22. But no, so I'm above the threshold now. I used to get monetization and partnership through YouTube, and then they changed their partnership policy back in February. So on February 20th, I lost all partnership, all monetization, all perks and benefits of YouTube stuff. So I continue to try to edit videos and upload videos and just keep getting subscribers, and I have now officially hit over the threshold needed to start getting the partnerships again. It's nice to be back on the horse, so to speak. They already did an account review and they're trying to reset it to where I'll get the monetization again. And like I mentioned in one of my other videos, this isn't going to be a sole source of income, but I do have some new things coming. I'll find out next month, in a couple weeks, if I get promoted or not. And if I do, then my little Chevy Cruze that I talked about before, I'm getting rid of. I'm not going to have it anymore. It's just time to upgrade to something a little bit bigger, a little bit faster and nicer. So we're looking at getting a brand new Charger Scat Pack. I initially was going to get a used Hellcat, but the idea of something used with that capacity of power just tells me that whoever's owned it last has destroyed it. And I'm not trying to get a destroyed car or something that might be having a bad supercharger bearings or something. So I decided it'd be easier overall to get a brand new car, you know, with nothing else done to it. Yeah, it'll be a little bit slower than a Hellcat, but 475 horsepower, that's not that slow. So I mean, it's still got some power where I need it. A couple bolt-ons and a tune, I could easily get to 500. So the way I looked at it is whatever payment plan I have set up on it, pay it off within the next few years, and by the time that's done, I'll probably still have only 40 or 50,000 miles at most, and that's top just because of any moving I may or may not do that'll put some mileage on it. But by the time it's paid off and I'll have still that decently low mileage, I can then supercharge it. So then if I supercharge it, and I'm not looking at a Pro Charger, I'm looking at like a Whipple 2.9 liter supercharger, I can get one of those with some bolt-ons and be pushing easily 630, 640 to the wheels on a stock block. So that's what I'll be looking at, and when that happens, I'll be doing a lot of car videos on the channel. I know my cousin, he's doing YouTube videos right now too. He's out in Italy, I want to say. His wife just got stationed in Italy. She's in the army, and he does Twitch stuff. He does gaming, and he does some regular daily vlogs. And you should go check out his channel. It's A Dad's Life or something like that. I'll put the link in the description below. He just started a Patreon page, so because of that, I may be starting one soon too. That way, it'll help me with doing any bike mods and car mods that will happen. Not if they happen, when they happen. Probably the first thing I want to get into the car before I don't even own it yet, but the first thing I want to get done is exhaust. No point in owning a 500 horsepower V8 rear-wheel drive car and having it as quiet as a Prius. So I got some gravel over here, gotta be careful. But yeah, so if I try to start a Patreon page, I'll use that to expand the channel a little bit more, get some better cameras, different angles, different mics, maybe different lighting, and then stuff for the vehicles. truck right now. Nice Corvette. Check out this car right here, up on the right. Look at that. There's Corvette coming by. Oh yeah, so expanding the channel. We gotta eventually start a Patreon page and use that money towards the channel and towards the vehicle and the car or the bike. So there's an air show today, by the way. They're doing an air show at the Charleston Airport, or the Charleston Air Force Base. They've been doing high flies, like up in the air, doing spirals, stuff like that. So I guess that plane's doing something too. So I'm gonna go over here and hang out with my kids while she runs inside or goes to the ATM real quick. Look at this beautiful bike, man. She's a little dirty, but look how nice she is. I mean, not physically clean, but look how clean she is. And we got the 2-bro slip-on, Canon filter, and some lights, and that's about it. Nothing else. I mean, I got some levers, bar ends, some small stuff, but other than that, this thing's pretty much stock. All right, we're gonna go head to the gas station first because I need gas and the truck needs gas. All right, give me a sec while I put some gas in this sucker. Whole $3. It's a nice breeze.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, what is going on? We are leaving my buddy's house now, heading back home. Probably gonna do some highway rolls.